What's going on, guys? Killer Wolf 13 again. With my dog chilling, watching TV. It's like he's up. I just took a shower like 2 hours ago. And
Hello, Rascal.
no, move! Stop!
Hey, you stop!
I'm stopping the video then.
Okay.
Oh, my dog.
Rascal. Yeah, Rascal. You know, so fluffy.
Go!
Oh,
I'm
Kill
going-
Wolf 13.
I'm going to Virginia tomorrow.
Yeah, that's true.
Stop!
No,
Yeah.
I'm trying to say, Kill Wolf 13.
No, stop.
Kill Wolf 13. Yeah. We have a lot of mess in the R's of Reuben. Yeah.
I'm going to Virginia tomorrow. I'm going to Virginia, Richmond. It's gonna be fun. I'll be there for the entire weekend. I know it's not vacation here in Indiana, Lafayette. It's not vacation, but it doesn't matter. Something went up over there. I'm just doing stuff. I think I'm gonna pack my bags in in like an hour or a few minutes. My lips are chapped. Yeah.
But can your phone go beyond and transform into a real 360 camera?
Peace, guys. Killer Wolf 13. Peace, guys. I'll vlog tomorrow.